Hi friends, welcome back to the Cloud Universe. In this video, we will be looking at usage of extents in Azure DevOps Pipelines. And the prerequisites before you watch this video is you should have some basic knowledge about templates, how to use templates in Azure DevOps Pipelines and all. You should be aware. Now, uh, Azure DevOps templates are reusable structures. If there are multiple pipelines within your team or organization, share the same same structure, then we have to consider using templates because they are reusable structures. Templates can define the outer structure of your pipeline and help prevent malicious code infiltration. And while using templates and their parameters are turned into constants before the pipeline runs. Template parameters provide type safety to input parameters. Now, in this video, as we are looking at extents templates define the outer structure of the pipeline and offer specific points for targeted customization. We will see a demo now, and I have two projects in my organization. One is app project, one is DevOps project. App project team members don't have access to DevOps project because it is because this is where templates are kept. Assume you belong to a DevOps project and you have multiple application teams who have their own app projects in your ADO. Now, to start with this demo, we'll first see the templates, how you have defined some templates in your repos. So as you can see, now I am inside DevOps project, DevOps repo, where you have a template here. So this template allows the users to to perform some actions. For example, read, add, modify. All these actions, this template allows users to perform. Here, I have just written just a line to echo. Of course, you have to take care of the logic behind all these actions here. I'm just displaying echo, write, read, add, modify logic here. Now, if I go to my organization again, we'll take an example of application project one. Okay, this is a project, app project, whose members do not have access to DevOps project. Now, if we go to app project and go to repos, here I have a pipeline here. Pipeline and repo name both are app1. Now this is a pipeline. So this pipeline is written by the application team, your application team. App project one team. So what they are doing in their template is they are extending the template which is written by you in and kept it in your project, that is in DevOps project, DevOps repo. So they are just making reuse of the template which is already existing with you. Now, uh, you don't want your application team to uh, Two, mm, uh, to ma- uh, to make this code use by making some a malicious code infiltration. Okay, for example, application team wants to perform all these actions: read, add, modify, delete. But you want them to perform only read, add, modify. You don't want them to perform delete operation. Now, so as I was saying, this is the pipeline code. These are the actions which your application team wants to perform, and they are extending the template of yours. To extend the template, they have to use resources, repositories. They have to give a name to this repository. The templates is the name to this repository, and they are extending the template from DevOps project, DevOps repo, DevOps project, DevOps repo. And what they want to extend? They want to extend template.yaml. They want to extend template template.yaml from DevOps project, DevOps repo. Now, I will run this pipeline. Let me open it in a new tab. So this is the pipeline app one. This this is the pipeline app one. Now, if I run this pipeline, and if I pass read as argument to the template and run this pipeline, it is running now. So as you can see, it completed successfully, and it is displaying write, read, add, modify logic here. So the template was extended, and the template got reused in application team's pipeline. Now, what if your application team member chose to delete something, and if he or she clicks on run, then they won't be able to use that. They will get an error message that saying that the user action parameter value delete is not a valid value. So likewise, you are restricting your application team to perform only the actions you you decide: read, add, and modify, and you are not allowing them to perform delete operation from their pipeline. So yeah, so this is about the usage of extents in the Azure DevOps pipelines. I hope this video helps you in performing extents in your pipelines. Thanks for watching.